Hi, this is Deep and Shaw with the apartment dealer, and I just listed a 2-unit property here in the city of Colton. Now these 2 units are selling for $625,000, and the best part is both of them are going to be delivered vacant. Both of these units are comprised of one 3-bedroom, 1-bath unit, which also has an additional office space. And the second unit is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath unit as well. Now this property is separately metered for gas and electricity, so tenants pay their own utilities. It also sits on a spacious 7,500 square foot gated lot. Current ownership has installed xeriscape landscaping to increase the curb appeal as well as minimize any expenses. There's been a multitude of recent capital improvements that include a new roof that was installed within the last 2 years, upgraded electrical wiring throughout, renovated interiors from new flooring, new kitchen countertops, new cabinets, bathrooms, and more. Now, some of you may be wondering, where is the city of Colton? I myself actually own in this city rental property, so I'm extremely familiar with the rentability, the tenants, the locale, and I would say it's an easy to rent city. You know, you have Loma Linda University not too far away. You have transportation and freeways extremely close by as well. Very quiet neighborhoods, and on top of that, these units being 3-bedroom, 1-bath, perfect for large or even medium-sized families. So if you'd like more information on this property, contact myself, Deep and Shaw, at the apartment dealer, and I'll see you on the next one.